Ni ska vara hjärtligt välkomna till kursvecka 18 i kursen 1DV027 och nu börjar det närma sig slutet på kursen. Vi har ju några veckor kvar, men det är ändå som så att solen börjar skina starkare och starkare utanför och det brukar vara en indikation på att sommaren närmar sig. Är det bra med dig, Neda?
Jag mår bra, tack.
Härligt. Jag hörde att du hade varit och paddlat kajak i helgen. Det är väl,
ja, och cyklar.
Och cyklat också.
Ja.
Det är ju alldeles
Det var
utmärkt.
jättekul.
Ja, det är som det ska vara. Jag har klippt gräset och rensat rabatter har jag gjort i helgen. Det hör också våren till. So we are now there are some weeks left. We will go into details about the IoT part, but just to some other things here to just note that I want to say to everybody. So I noticed that tomorrow afternoon there is a news saying that Sunet, Sunet is delivering the network services for LNU and all the other universities, but they are going to exchange some routers in their network. So you can probably expect the LNU network to be like up and down tomorrow. That will of course affect those of you who are working from campus. However, it might also affect everybody since, CoursePress and GitLab and everything is on the LNU network. So if you get timeouts during the afternoon tomorrow, just beware that might be a thing. I would also like to make a shout out to Compile-it. If you watch in the VP channel at Slack, you will find an invite to Compile-it in Kalmar. Compile-it is a IT consultant firm that was actually founded by among others, one of our former students, Isak, in Stockholm, and his brother, David, is living in Kalmar. So that's why there is a Kalmar office of Compile-it as well. And a lot of former students are employed at Compile-it. So if you have nothing else to do the 21st of May, next Tuesday, something like that. Make sure to fill in the form and so that you can go to that event. I will try to be there. At least I registered, so hopefully I will be there. It's at 17, and you will get some drinks and pizza. So and you will. The main event is that you will be able to test out Apple Vision Pro as well. They have a couple.
Nice.
That's probably a pretty cool event. So please register if you haven't. I don't know even if there are any registration left if you're able to do it, but if you haven't, try at least. So going back to 1DV027. I don't know what I've written on my notes, so let's start with you, Neda. Any questions, general things in the course that we should announce?
No, actually, last week only 4 students they showed up on handlearning, and they had problem how to connect their Pico, get it to work, and I helped them. So it was about that one, and some question about how they can secure their code, the password, before they store it on the Pico. So I just sent them some links and they followed, and it was about encryption and encryption the data, but it's not in our course. So they just wanted to know about it, and yeah, they followed it. That's it. Other than that, it was wrong files in the repository that I wrote on channel, and everyone should remove all the files that exist in the repository except the README and template. That's it, and then work with that one, and send their files to that repository. That's it.
Yep,
It's
perfect.
from
And
last week.
yeah, and looking forward, we can see the schedule for this week. There is a handledning at Wednesday afternoon at 1:15. That's it for this week. And then next week, same thing, Wednesday afternoon at 1:15. And then it's actually the last week of the semester, and we have the deadline in this course at the really end of the semester. So that will be on Sunday. Yeah, and some of you probably have some presentations in the thesis work to do in this week, and so it's probably a busy week. So try to be ahead of everything.
I think because of some exams that the student they couldn't start yet with IoT assignment. So I would suggest, since 2 weeks is only left, they start, and if they have any question, they just come up with a question, and then I will answer them on handlearning time.
Yep.
This is a just suggestion. So
Perfect. Yep. So try to stay. Yeah. Try to do it on those weeks that are left. That's the message. And some of you will probably take the summer course as well. So that one is starting on the Monday after this course. You are part of that course as well, Neda, and
yes,
many are.
as a teacher, yeah.
And I guess it's a pretty good match to just continue to make something bigger, something else in that course.
Exactly. That time they can work, because for this course we didn't expect a student to buy more hardwares, because, for example, if you are going to work with LoRaWAN, you need some hardware to get it to work. But Wi-Fi for this course is enough. But for IoT summer course, we are working with LoRa, and then also different ideas a student they have, and they can buy whatever they want and implement their idea. They are nice projects always, and and they will present the first week of the July.
Nice. It's pretty strange. They made I can see that now. They made a change probably in StreamYard. So my title from from another stream went into this one. That was why it says co-founder. I'm not co-founder of Linnaeus University. I can tell you that. Funny. So with that, I actually don't have too much today. It will be a pretty short stand-up. However, if there are any questions, please ask them now, either on Slack or on YouTube, so we can address them right away. Yeah, I got the question, Neda, and maybe you have been contacted already. But for those that are working on campus, there is a IoT network, wireless network, right?
Yes.
And you probably need credentials for that network, like password and stuff.
Exactly.
So where do you find that if you are a campus student? Because we will not say it out loud in the stream, but where do you find it?
Oh, I had I got DM message, and if anyone needs, so if they come here, I will tell them the user and password they want, and if they DM me, I can tell them.
Perfect.
Yes, what is it? Just if they need, just please message me.
And that's because the enterprise network that we have, that is Eduroam, it will not work, I guess,
Exactly.
with the Pico. So you want a more standard home network, simple password username based one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And mhm.
But that shouldn't be a problem for those of you sitting at home. However, on campus it is, so then you can use the IoT network that I think should be available on all of floor 4,
Yeah,
right? Yeah. So,
exactly.
yep,
It's
perfect.
all available on floor 4. Yeah.
Anything else, or should we call it a day?
No, I don't have much to say.
No.
Uh,
Then we
that's it.
wish everybody a really nice week. The weather, at least in Kalmar, is looking really good. So
Yeah,
try to go
17.
outside some time as well, so you're not stuck at the computer all the time. That's also a good thing, I think. But with that, have a really nice week and see you next week. Bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.